Welcome back to Daytime Live, and as you know, we got our eye on who is, well, Nisha's got her eye on who is hot and on the verge. Yeah. And today, we're happy to have in studio with us is Leno Banton?
Yeah, Leno Banton.
Leno Banton.
Yeah, man.
Welcome, Papa.
Welcome. Blessed love.
Blessed love.
Zoom.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Zoom, I love it. So I know you probably get this all the time with the last name Banton.
Banton,
Who is the inspiration for you? Is it Boro Banton or Bujo Banton?
You don't know, say, Buru. I'm a pop still. You don't know him as the teacher, the original. You see me? So,
You don't know them Boro Banton.
Boro Banton?
Go more this. What that a Buru Banton na chant? Go more this.
Hey.
You see me?
Hey.
But how would you describe your music, your sound? Is it something you copy from your dad, or you have just created your own?
Well, I wouldn't say it's a blend still, because I won't act like I come up with everything. You get me? Because you have to see somebody, you have to learn from somebody, and then for me it's just like 2020. You know, there's a lot of sounds, new sounds, and then I listen to a lot of, I wouldn't say old music as well.
Yeah.
So I'm very diverse when it comes to my sounds and what I listen to, because music is not just one. It doesn't stay stagnant. It keeps changing. You see me? And we need to learn from the old and still come with our new flavor with it. You see me? So that's exactly what I do.
Yeah, have a more youthful sound.
But I want to talk to you a second about your style.
Yeah.
Now, I'm loving the shirt, okay? So I feel that good. It's a little 90s dancehall vibe, I feel. Tell us a little bit about your style.
Well, my style still as I said, I really look to the older dancehall for my inspiration when it comes to my style. So you don't know Buru Banton, the Buju them, the Beanie Man them, the Shabba them. You see me? You see me? A them thing that I just show me have my funds to buy my big rope chain. You see me? I don't know so that I have to do it.
Very say everybody rope chain is that's so a string.
Yeah.
Got string chain.
I
love it. So where do you come from? Where are you from?
Well, I'm from Duhaney Park. That's where I really grew up, in New Haven.
Right.
Yo, big up Bank Street every time, you see me? Zoom. You see it?
I'm gonna say that now, Zoom.
Yeah, what
Now
you mean?
Zoom.
You're not from
Zoom.
doing it.
Yeah.
But
No, man, that's a worldwide
all
thing, man.
people, So tell us about the song that you're going to do for us.
Well, right now, this song is basically for the ladies. You see me? Straight for the ladies. Straight,
Come
you
on,
see me?
come on.
Brown sugar.
Hey.
Brown
Hey.
sugar.
Hey.
So just check it out. I'm gonna drop the video on Sunday at 12. Right now, you can just the premiere on YouTube. You see me?
Right.
So just spray it out.
All right. So actually, we are going to show part of the video
Definitely,
as well. So, are we ready?
Ready.
Ready? All right.
We
So
can't fall
take...
back, no? We can't.
No, man. That's still brown sugar. What are you talking about? Hey.
Guess what?
That's it.
You see why me stay over here, so? Because me couldn't sing no part of that song there.
Well, you could just say
No,
me.
But him say brown sugar. Him say brown sugar. You know a moment.
True.
Yeah, Duffy for the girl them.
Leno, be for the girl.
Yeah, give me the microphone, man.
Where can we find you on social media?
Well, you can find me everywhere at Leno Banton.
How you spell?
Leno Banton. Everywhere.
Everybody knows to spell Banton. B-A-N-T. Except me.
Is there anybody else you want to big up from Duhaney Park?
Oh, yeah, definitely no more big up. Not just the whole Duhaney Park, more big up the team for the video. I want to big up Natty Productions, you see me? Big up to Osonia for the styling for the video. Big up to Natanya for the makeup artist. You don't know, big up my beautiful talents, my beautiful friends, the ladies in the video. Check them out.
Oh,
they are
look good
Dana
too.
Ivy, Stephanie Lawrence, and Christina Brown. You see me?
Lovely.
Much love to all our ones. You see me?
You go for Daytime Live, member with name.
And I agree with that.
Look on the floor, the man.
I agree with that.
Because everything I'm doing have this floor.
Yeah.
Please remember to check on your loved ones and support as a community.
Thanks for tuning in.
Yeah.
We'll be back on Tuesday with much more buzz, chat, vibe. Stay safe, mask up, wash your hands, keep your distance, Cause Corona I keep, eh, 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 eh,
I don't fish up for the girls.
eh, eh, zoom, 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 zoom. Hey, hey, hey.